Like, so there's no question that you're going to see all of this.
Aaron, if I jump off from where you're going, one of the ways that I like to think about this is that we're on the precipice of like the personal app revolution. You know, if you look at it as like there are, call it 5, 10, I don't know, it depends on what number you look at and which framework you look at, but there's millions to tens of millions of software engineers, developers out there, right? Building software that 1 to 2 to 3 billion people use. So there's a massive gap in the number of people who can create software today and the number of people who use software every day, whether that's to, look at a funny shit post on Twitter from you or Sam, or doing some work on a productivity app, right? And up until this point, you've had to depend on organizations like yours to develop that software, right? To do whatever. And it seemed as though if the vision that you're articulating is right, where, we've got these 99.99999% great models that can do everything from talk to me in English to build software, that more people are going to be building software for themselves and for their teams at work, for their organizations than like ever before, right? And so that's a big shift in how a company like yours has to think about who you're selling to. And so are you thinking about this future, and are you thinking about how to build your ecosystem around not just the consumer that's saving files into a box, and not just the enterprise who needs to deploy a big enterprise productivity tool, but this sort of middle zone of like the new software creator that is going to create a tool for themselves? And how does your world fit into that, as this sort of Cambrian explosion of new software developers happens?
I can answer that. Sam, did you have a well or something in
No,
there?
you do that, and then I'm gonna do my straw man for you.
Okay, great. Straw. Oh no, it's the straw man. Okay, so yes, absolutely. It won't exactly. So some of where my head goes when you said all that was literally like creating new applications, through an LLM or whatnot. Our version is still going to be like our interface that's already built, but a lot of the logic can be accelerated. The workflow can be customized, due to AI. So
Hmm.
just like the 12-second sales pitch is, we literally just launched a no code app builder, where you can be like, boom, I want Box to look like a digital asset management system, or a boom, I want Box to look like a contract management system. And
That's cool.
it's not going to render a probabilistic UI every single time. We give it the UI components, but the ability to instantly create that and have it work is absolutely enabled by everything that we're seeing in AI today. So